So today, let's talk eBay Dropshipping 101. So as of me recording this video, I was actually doing some eBay dropshipping, and I figured why not record a live video and show you exactly how I go about doing that. Depending on when and you actually stream this video, I'm doing a live Q&A. So if anyone got any chats or comments they want to type in the live chat, just type them in. I'll do my best to post them on the screen, and then let's have some fun sourcing. So the first product of which I want to be sourcing is this is actually from a new eBay seller. As you can see, they only have 17 reviews. So they're currently selling this product. As you see right here, it says 2 sold in the last hour. Um, but I did some product research. So let me show you how I went about doing that. So I scrolled down, and it's essentially the basics. Well, actually, this product actually doesn't have a description. So how I actually went about finding this product is there's 3 different methods of which you can do for eBay dropshipping product research. The first one is to copy the description. The second one, which I'm about to show you, is by copying the title, where you would just highlight the title and then search Google right here. Luckily, I've already thought ahead, and I've pulled this up on Walmart.com. Now, remember, the current eBay seller we was looking at just selling this for about $93. I am just now loading this up on Walmart because I have decided that I'm no longer going to be sourcing from multiple retailers. From here on, focus on the end of 2020, I'm only looking at Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, time to time Lowe's, and Wayfair. So this product's actually going to be $97, which is a bummer because it has free 2-day delivery. But I mean, it's Walmart, so they offer free 2-day delivery on all online orders. So first one's going to be a dud, no biggie. Let's move on to the second product that I have for us. Everyone in here in the live Q&A is enjoying the video this far. Appreciate if you smash that thumbs up button. Appreciate it. Shows me that this is actually worth my time, and me showing you what I've learned is actually paying off for y'all. And hey, I'm not stingy. If you see these products, go ahead and sell it. Now, this product I was actually looking at. This is the first one I put up before I started opening all these tabs. We have a decent seller. Doesn't look to see new, but it looks like they've been selling eBay for a while. Now, this product is going for $124.99, basically $125. And the way how I found this product, the way how I found the supplier for this product was the description right here. So this is what I'll be talking about because I know a lot of y'all still be confused about this. And then you highlight the description, you right click, and then you search Google for it. And then, like I said, you look for certain retailers. Now, I've already searched for the retailers I want to look for, which I just finished explaining to you. So let's head over to Walmart and see what we can find this for. Now, remember, the previous seller that which we were just reviewing selling this for $125, selling this for $70. So let's do some quick math here. I believe that's $55 profit, but this one I'll tell you no lie. And I am right, it's $55 profit. And like I said, Walmart offers free 2-day shipping. So if you want to make a quick $55, I made sure that the pictures are lined up. You see right there, that's that on Walmart. Let's head right back over to eBay real quick just to make sure that the pictures match up. Because 9 times out of 10, when the pictures match up on eBay, it's more than likely the same product, and they do. So we found a dud. We found this product, which making $55 in profit. So let me take you to the third product which I have for you. So this is a wheelchair. And by the way, these are all 3 different eBay sellers. I'm just doing a bunch of random products. I just happen to come across my own local Walmart, and then I just type in on eBay, not trying to find it on Walmart.com. So this looks to be a wheelchair. Yes, it is a wheelchair, I believe. So scroll down. So here's the thing. When you scroll down and you come across product pages that look like this, you can copy it like this. It might be a little bit more challenging for you to find the actual supplier, but make sure that you scroll down to right here where it says item description. You follow the same methods of what I'm teaching you. Same people taught me, I'm teaching you what they taught me, and I'm making money, so I want to make sure that you're making money too. So you just highlight that, you right click, search on Google. Now, in the midst of this, I think this product was selling for $97. It was either 93 or 97. So let's head over to Walmart and let's see how much we can find this product for. So this product looks to be the same product is selling for $79. So give or take, you're making $20 profit margin, not including eBay and PayPal fees. So somewhere around there, we'll say about $15 to $20. So um, yeah, guys, I didn't want to take up too much of your time. Check out this other video of which I have popping up on the screen about eBay dropshipping. And if you like these live Q&As, smash that thumbs up button. Appreciate everyone who came out to hang out for the live chat. Um, Other than that, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I'm uploading every other day. So today is Tuesday, which means I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thank you so much. Leave me a comment, thoughts below. Check out my eBay playlist, and I will see you in those videos. Bye for now.